Hey there, welcome to C++ beginner tutorial. In this lesson you will learn the following: expressions, mixed expressions, type conversion, casting. C++ expression consists of operators, constants, and variables which are arranged according to the rules of the language. It can also contain function calls which return values. An expression can consist of one or more operands, zero or more operators to compute a value. Integral expression. All operands are integers. Yields an integral result. Example: 2 plus 3, multiply by 5. Floating point, decimal, expression. All operands are floating point. Yields a floating point result. Example: 12.8, multiply by 17.5 minus 34.50. If operands in an expression contains both integer and real constants or variables, this is a mixed-mode arithmetic expression. In mixed-mode arithmetic expressions, integer operands are always converted to real before carrying out any computations. As a result, the result of a mixed-mode expression is of real type. Examples of mixed expressions: 2 plus 3.5, 6 divided by 4 plus 3.9. Evaluation rules. If operator has same types of operands, the operator is evaluated according to the type of the operands. If operator has both types of operands, integer is changed to floating point. Operator is evaluated. Result is floating point. Entire expression is evaluated according to precedence rules. Type conversion in C++. A typecast is basically a conversion from one type to another. Implicit type conversion, also known as automatic type conversion, done by the compiler on its own, without any external trigger from the user, generally takes place when in an expression more than one data type is present. Implicit type coercion. When the value of one type is automatically changed to another type. Cast operator, also called type conversion or type casting, provides explicit type conversion. This is the formular use for conversion. Data type string is a programmer-defined type, supplied in ANSI ISO standard C++ library. A string is a sequence of 0 or more characters enclosed in double quotation marks. A null, or empty, is a string with no characters. Each character has a relative position in the string. Position of first character is 0. The length of a string is the number of characters in it. Example: length of William Jacob is 13. That is all for this lesson. Please share your thoughts on the comment section below on where I can improve and suggestions on what to cover next. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.